Hi children, today we are going to learn second chapter, linear equations in one variable. Before learning this chapter, first we have to recall our previous knowledge. What is that? First we have to learn what is variable, what is constant, what is expression, what is equation. Now variables are A to Z. We will represent a variable with the English letters A to Z. Variable means imagination of unknown things. Then constant means numbers. They are fixed values. They doesn't change anywhere. Then constants are fixed values. Variables are change. Now what is expression? Expression is a combination of these variables and constants. Now expression is a sentence with minimum two numbers and at least one mathematical operation. Means any two numbers with one operation. Example, suppose 4 plus 3. Here what are two numbers? 4 and 3 numbers. What is the mathematical operation? Plus. This is called one of the expression. Expression means combination of terms and constants. Suppose now x plus 3, here one variable, one constant, means here also combination of two numbers, one is variable, one is constant, that is called, then what is the operation here? Plus. Then this is also called expression. Now expressions are three types: numerical expression, fractional expression and algebraic expression. What is the numerical expression? Only constants we have to take in that. Suppose minus 2 plus 5. This is called a numerical expression. Next, minus 2 minus of 4. This is another. In this numerical expression only constants we have to take, but more operations we can use, plus, minus, division, and 4 operations also we can use, but must we have to use only numbers. Then fractional expression means fractions we have to use. Example, 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2. Here two fractions with one operation. Here two numbers, what are those? Two fractions, and what is the operation? Plus. Then this is called a fractional expression. Next, algebraic expression. Algebraic expression means must with the variable, means x plus y. Now x square plus 2x plus y, these all are called algebraic expressions, because here we are using algebraic variables. Then we can use constants also in this, x square plus 4x plus 2. This is also algebraic expression. Here combination of variables and constants with some mathematical operation, that is called algebraic expression. Then numerical expression means only numbers we have to use. Fractional means only fractions we have to use, but must minimum one operation and minimum two numbers. Then algebraic expression must have what? Variables. Compulsory we have to use one variable or two variables or three variables, but we have to use algebraic expression one variable. Then we can use constants also in that. Example, x plus 5, one is that is algebraic expression. Here x square plus 4x plus 2, this is also algebraic expression, but this is in this constants also there. Then algebraic expression we can use variables as well as constants. Now what is the equation? An algebraic equation is equality of algebraic expressions. Equality of algebraic expressions means two expressions we have to use with the equal sign involving variables and constants. In algebraic equation, must variables and constants. We have to use must variables and constant, because algebraic expression means what? Variables and constants. Then algebraic equation also we have to use compulsory variables and constants. Example, 3x plus 7 is equal to 28. Here what is the variable? X. X is variable, 28 constant, 7 also constant. Here in this equation we are using variables as well as constants. Then we call this is a algebraic equation. Algebraic equation means equality symbol between two expressions. Those expressions must consist variables and constants. One more example. 4x minus 7 is equal to 3 by 2. This is also one of the algebraic expression. Here also the two expressions 4x minus 7, 3 by 2 with the equal sign, that is called a algebraic equation. Then here also we are using variables and constants. Now algebraic expressions means involving variables and constants with the equal sign. Now this equal side, right side, we call this 3 by 2 we call RHS. Then equal left side part, then that expression we will call LHS. Left hand side, right hand side. Then in algebraic equation we will call equal symbol left side we call LHS, means left hand side. Then 3 by 2 is after equal sign, then that is called a RHS. In this, suppose in this 3x plus 7, 28. What is LHS? 3x plus 7 is LHS, 28 is RHS. Now next, simple or linear equation. An equation of the form ax plus b is equal to 0 or ax is equal to b, where a and b are constants and a not equal to 0 is called linear equation in one variable or simple equation. See, equation only one variable. If the equation, which equation? Algebraic equation consists only one variable and one constant equal to 0, that is called a linear equation in one variable. Example, 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Here which is variable? X is variable, then constant is 5. Then 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. This is called linear equation in one variable, because here we are using only one variable, that is x. Then we can call that is a linear equation in one variable. One variable means only one variable we have to use in that equation. But equation means what? Two expressions with equal sign. Now here what are the two expressions? 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Then 2x plus 5 one expression, 0 is another expression. Now next example, 7x minus 10 is equal to 2 by 3. Here 7x minus 10 one expression, 2 by 3 other expression. Then both are having in the middle what is the sign? Equal sign. Then we call first this is a equation. Here in this equation we are using only one variable. Then we call this is a linear equation in one variable. One more example, 4x plus 5 is equal to half. Here 4x plus 5 we will call one expression, half is another expression. Both expressions middle what is the symbol? Equal. Then we will call this is a algebraic equation. Then why we have to call linear equation in one variable? Here we are using only one variable x. And why we have to call linear equation? When the degree of that variable is 1, then that is called linear equation. If the power of degree of that variable is 1, then we will call linear equation. Then equation means, algebraic equation means only two expressions with equal symbol. But when we will call linear equation, the degree of that variable is 1. Then we call that is a linear equation in linear equation, means the power, the degree of variable must be 1. Then only one variable if we use, that is called linear equation in one variable. Now degree of linear equation always 1. Now exercise 2.1. What is the first equation? First problem, solve the following simple equations. Simple equations means linear equation with one variable. What is that linear equation? Means the power of variable must be 1 and one variable, only one variable we have to use, that is called simple equation or linear equation in one variable. Now before going to solve these problems, first we have to remember this transpose terms. What is the transpose terms? Suppose left hand side term we have to take to right hand side, then that is called transposing. Now plus quantity goes to other side, it become minus, means left hand to right hand side or right hand side to left hand side. Now minus quantity become plus quantity, multiplication quantity become division quantity, division quantity become multiplication quantity. Now what is the first problem? 34x is equal to minus 51. Here the variable, only one variable we are using, then power of variable also 1, then it is called a linear equation in one variable. Now when you will solve the equation, only that variable must be LHS side, remaining all in RHS. Now with the variable coefficient is there 34, then we have to take that transpose to 34 to RHS. Then how to write? 34 into x is equal to minus 51. Now we need only x value. Then first we have to take 34 to that side, means transpose 34 to RHS side. Then when you will transpose one term, first you have to write whatever it may be in RHS. Whatever it may be in RHS, first you have to write, then you have to write a transposing term. What is the transposing term? 34. Here why division? Multiplication become division, then 34 will become division. Now which table goes? 17 table, 17 3s are 17 2s are. Now x is equal to minus 3 by 2. Second question, 2x by 3 is equal to 18. Here only variable is x, then power also 1, then it is called a linear equation one variable. Now we have to transpose 2 and 3 to that side. Now 2x is equal to 18 into 3, because 3 is in division, division goes that side, it become multiplication. Now 2x is equal to 18 into 3, but here we want only x, we do not want a 2 coefficient also, then we have to transpose 2 to that side. Then x is equal to 18 into 3 by 2, because 2x means what is the meaning of that? 2 into x. Then multiplication comes this side, it will become division. Then 2, 9, 18, 9 times goes, then x is equal to 9 3s are 27. Next, 3p minus 7 is equal to 0. Then first we have to write the only variable 3p is equal to 0, right hand side whatever it may be you have to write. Then we have to transpose 7 to that side, then that means minus 7 become plus 7. Now 3p is equal to 0 plus 7, 7. P is equal to 7 by 3. Why? Here 3p means what is the meaning? Multiplication. Multiplication become division. Now p is equal to 7 by 3. Next, 200y minus 51 is equal to 49. First we have to transpose 51. First we have to write whatever is in the RHS. What is that? 49. Then minus 51 goes that side, it become plus 51. Now 200y is equal to 100. Y is equal to 100 by 200, because multiplication goes that side, it become division. Now 100 table, 100 1s are 100 2s are is equal to 1 by 2. What is the answer? Y is equal to half. Next, 8x is equal to 13 plus 5 by 2, plus become minus, then minus 5 by 2. Then what is the LCM? 2. 13 into 2 minus 5 into 1. 8x is equal to 26 minus 5 by 2. Here 8 goes that side, it become division. 21 by 2 into 8. Here 21 by 16. Next, x plus 4 by 3 is equal to 3 1 by 2, means x is equal to 3 1 by 2 minus 4 by 3. Then we have to change the mixed fraction as improper, 7 by 2 minus 4 by 3. Then what is the LCM? 6. 7 3s are minus 4 into 2. 21 minus 8 by 6 is equal to 13 by 6. X is equal to now x value is 13 by 6. This is the solution of simple equations. Then simple equation means what? One variable, power must be 1. Then transposing terms means what? Plus quantity goes that side, become minus, minus become plus, multiplication, division, division, multiplication. In these equations, first we have to take all the constants to one side and variable one side. Maximum we have to see that variable must be in LHS side.